Paul is the best teacher I've ever had.
Hello, I'm Paul Portier. I'm teacher and batch manager at Wagon. I used to be a photographer. It wasn't made for me. So I decided to take part in Wagon as a student first, because people around me talked to me about it. One of my best experiences in my life, I think. And then I became a teacher assistant. I loved it, and then I had the opportunity to become a teacher, and it was even better. Here at Wagon, we say trust the program. In the beginning, in web development, it's hard for students because you are going to discover a lot of new concepts. But then, after a few days, maybe weeks, you understand a lot of stuff, and it's getting easier. So maybe in the beginning, you don't trust yourself, but trust the program. It will do the work. The key elements of my teaching, I think, are first to be really nice, to be understandable, to feel what the students feel, because sometimes it's really hard. In the web development bootcamp, what I really love to teach is the beginning of it, because students discover the back-end development. It's what I do best, and it's what I prefer, because you build stuff and it's getting real at some point, and it's amazing. Some of the practical tools I suggest to my students after they finished Le Wagon are like Cursor, which is a new IDE, an editor for writing code, which has a lot of AI features included. It's really powerful, but you need to have knowledge to use it. I remember a student who was really shy at the beginning of the formation. At the end of it, he was a changed person. He really enjoyed it, and he thanked every teacher and everyone because he thought it was a great experience. I was really touched by it. It was really nice. Le Wagon really changed my life, and I'm glad to change the life of other people.